Hi, I'm from Trusted Plumbing and Heating. Today I'm here to answer a popular question. How does a tankless water heater work? Tankless water heaters are becoming more common because they offer hot water quickly and can help save on energy bills. Most of us are used to the big water heaters that store and heat water all day long. But a tankless water heater only heats water when you need it, so you get hot water fast and save energy. This type of system is also called an on-demand water heater because it works only when you need to turn on the hot water. Here's how it works. When you turn on the hot water tap, cold water flows into the tankless unit. Inside, either a gas burner or an electric part heats the water as it moves through. That means there's no wasted energy keeping hot water all day when you might not use it. This means you get hot water right away, and you can use it for as long as you need. No more running out during your shower. With a tankless water heater, everyone in your family can get hot water whenever they want. Tankless water heaters often take up less space on your wall, save money on energy bills, and usually last longer than traditional ones. They are a great choice for smaller homes or anyone who wants more room in their utility area. It's important to remember that you'll need the right size unit for your home, based on how much hot water you use at once. If several people want to shower at the same time, you'll need a unit with a higher flow rate. A professional install is always best. That's where we come in at Trusted Plumbing and Heating. We help you choose, install, and maintain the perfect tankless water heater for your needs. Our experts make sure that the connections are safe and the heater provides enough hot water for your whole home. If you're curious about switching or want an expert to take a look at your system, call us at Trusted Plumbing and Heating or visit our website. We're always here to help keep your hot water flowing. We're happy to answer your questions and help you decide if going tankless is right for you.